And one other thing to point out about the screen is that if for whatever reason it's ever giving you issues, like it's not working properly, whatever the case may be, you can also easily reset this thing. So with the vehicle turned on in the run position, all you're going to do is just press and hold this button for about 10 to 15 seconds. So let's just hang on here. There you go. You can see the screen's gone blank there, and it's just going to take a second in order for the screen to reset itself and then turn back on. Perfect. There we go. Loading up. And that's honestly the way that you can solve a few different issues. So if your cell phone's not connecting properly to Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, it's giving you issues, whatever the case may be, that's the easiest thing for you to do first, is you're just going to go through, reset, takes a little bit to load back up again, but once it does, you're set to go. Perfect, let's accept, and here we go. Get started and you're good to go there. Now, certain issues might come up, like you might have issues, like I mentioned, with Android Auto and Waze. You can find that walkthrough video down in the description of this video. And then a few other things that might seem intuitive, but they're not. Like if you push the volume button there in, it turns the screen off. And the screen's not going to turn back on again until you push that button again in order to turn it back on. Then there's another one. Right above the bottom right-hand side here, there's a button just to turn the screen into this calming screen instead.